ke MDC Narpuh constituency ko kong Dewi Paya Tong Per kum ka kong san ha ka jingalang menda ka singan rutarik uchilio kalai Mynsiem bat pynshlur ki lai pongut ki samla ki bana po East Jindal district ki bla pyndep ki jingshah hikai ya ka jingshah beauty course na Jindal Eastern College clearan kalai ru ki kentin sneng kentu ya ki ba kintre shitom bat shimkhia ya ka kam kum kita ki thei ki badan ka sap ha ka ban pen bhabrio kalai khublei kerpangru yo principal jong college u Dr. P Nong tudu u bala no senyang shikadei e ha ka ba kentiu ya ka jingnang jing start harilum jantia kumju ru kai khublei ya ka Bharat Dalmia Foundation halor ka jingkershan lem ya ka ne ka shlam iaki ya ka ne ka program la pelong ha conference hall ha Jantia Eastern College clearian u principal jong ka Jantia Eastern College u Dr. Pervision Nong tudu u re tho baka ne ka jingshah beauty care course kadai ka shlam ngaji ka ya ki tu ki samla ki badan ka sap bat ki badan ka jingthrang ban long kita ki nong pen bhabrio ne ki beautician bat ya ka ne ka shlam ngaji ka la baiting ka bat kershan ka Bharat Dalmia Foundation ulai khuble ya ka kongsan ka bla kloi panya don bentalang ha ka ne ka program kumju ru ulai khuble ya ka Bharat Dalmia Foundation kabla kershan ni ka project ka banyarap shikadai e ki samla omtang ha ka ba yo jinghikai henry ka ni ka project ka donru ka lat ka linti ban kamai pisa bat kan long ka lat yo kam yo jam ki samla la yo ru ka jingran ne ki khanna ki bla pyndep ya ka ne ka jingshah beauty care course ha ka ba ki la penpa ka jingso komen ba ki la yo ya ka ne ka lat namar anda kila deplut ki jingshah hikai kila ban seng kam la jong ka ban long ru kum kala yo kam yo jamiki kila ai khuble ya ka Bharat Dalmia Foundation kabla kersha ni ka project ka ban wan ra jingmentoi ki samla kibla ai jingkran ki kenthop ru professor di papang u professor and rimbai u corporate affairs head jong ka Dalmia Cement Bharat Limited u Ashim Das Laksar pat kiwe.
Our young people to curb unemployment, and I hope to see this batch who have done their course in beauty care course here in Jingshah College. I wish to see them as professional beautician one day. I hope to see you in big platforms. Go out into the world. You have learned so much through this beauty course. Use your talent, use your skills, pray to God, don't forget God, because God only can help you gain more knowledge, more wisdom in what you have learned. And I hope to see you one day, you will rise, you will be popular, especially in this field that you are, so that you can support you and yourself and your family financially. You can help others too, and just use whatever work you got, especially relating to this beauty course, just do it. Don't say that this is just 30 rupees or 50 rupees, I won't do it. No matter what you have, what you do, what you attribute to your skill, that is the most important thing. So I hope to see you all, that you will, one day you will, what you have learned from here, you will make use of it. And I wish Dalmia Cement the very best. I hope to work together with you in years to come, and also especially with Jingshah Eastern College. Whatever program you have, I'll be very happy to be a part of it. No matter though I may be just a guest or just an invitee, I don't mind, because I don't respect